Hi everyone. Today, we're tackling a common head-scratcher for Stable Diffusion users. You might have seen an attribute error message. Specifically, it says module jax.random has no attribute KeyArray. This error can be confusing. But don't worry, it's usually straightforward to fix. Let's break down what this message means and how to resolve it. First, what is JAX? JAX is a Python library. It's used for high-performance numerical computing. It's often used in machine learning projects. Stable Diffusion, depending on your specific setup or fork, might rely on JAX for certain operations. The error module jax.random has no attribute KeyArray tells us something specific. Your Stable Diffusion code expects to find something called KeyArray within the jax.random module. However, your installed version of JAX doesn't have it. This is a classic version mismatch problem. JAX has undergone changes over time. Older versions of JAX used a different way to handle random number generation keys. They used jax.random.prng key. Newer versions introduced jax.random.KeyArray. Your Stable Diffusion setup is likely built to work with the newer JAX. It expects KeyArray to be present. But your Python environment has an older JAX version installed. That old version only knows about prng key. So, when the code looks for KeyArray, it comes up empty. This throws the attribute error. Now, let's talk about solutions. The most common and usually the simplest fix is to update your JAX installation. You'll need to use your terminal or command prompt for this. Make sure you are in the correct Python environment. If you're using a virtual environment, activate it first. This is crucial for managing dependencies. Once your environment is active, run this command: pip install upgrade jaxlib. This command tells pip to update both jax and jaxlib to their latest compatible versions. This should provide the KeyArray attribute that your Stable Diffusion code is looking for. After the update, try running Stable Diffusion again. The error should be gone. Sometimes, an update might not be enough. Or perhaps it causes new, unrelated issues. In rarer cases, you might need a specific JAX version. Your Stable Diffusion fork might have a very particular dependency. If updating doesn't work, you might need to find the exact JAX version recommended by your Stable Diffusion project. You would first uninstall jax and jaxlib. Use pip uninstall jaxlib. Then, install the specific version. For example, pip install jax equals 0.3.17 jaxlib equals 0.3.17. Remember, these are just example version numbers. Always check your project's documentation for the correct ones. Using virtual environments is incredibly important. If you aren't using one, start now. Tools like venv or conda create isolated Python environments. This prevents dependency conflicts between different projects. It keeps your Stable Diffusion environment clean and stable. Always activate your virtual environment before installing or running anything related to Stable Diffusion. If you're still facing issues, consider creating a completely fresh virtual environment. Then reinstall all Stable Diffusion dependencies from scratch. This can often clear up stubborn conflicts. This attribute error is almost always a JAX version problem. Updating JAX is usually the solution. Thank you for watching this quick guide. I hope this helps you get back to generating amazing images with Stable Diffusion. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. We appreciate your support. See you next time.